Understanding debit card routing numbers.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of debit cards to answer a very common question. What is a debit card routing number and where can I find it? Let's break it down step by step.
What is a routing number?
A routing number, also known as an ABA number, is a 9-digit code used to identify a bank or financial institution in the U.S. It is mainly used for the processing of electronic transfers, direct deposits, bill payments, and other automated transfers. However, here's a critical point to note. Debit cards don't have a routing number. Instead, routing numbers are associated with checking and savings accounts. Your debit card is directly linked to one of these accounts, and it's the account that has the routing number, not the card itself.
So, where can I find my routing number?
Since debit cards don't have routing numbers, if you need the routing number associated with your account, here's where to look. 1. Checkbook. The routing number is usually printed at the bottom left corner of your checks. It'll be the first set of 9 digits. 2. Bank statements. If you receive monthly statements for your checking or savings account, you can find your routing number there. 3. Online banking. Log into your online banking portal and navigate to the account information or details page. Many banks list the routing number in this section. 4. Mobile banking apps. Like online banking, mobile apps often display account details, including the routing number. 5. Contact your bank. If all else fails, or if you're uncertain, it's always a safe bet to call or visit your bank to get the correct routing number. Alright, that's a wrap. Just to reiterate, while your debit card itself doesn't have a routing number, it's linked to an account that does. Whether you're setting up direct deposit, making a payment, or any other transaction that requires a routing number, now you know where to find it. We hope this video was helpful. Stay informed and take care.